Every surge tells a story. Every system deserves protection. At Excel Earthings, we don't just manufacture solution, we engineer safety. That's ISI, UL and IEC certified products. Excel Earthings is proud to be India's first manufacturer of copper bonded earth electrodes that are ISI Marked, UL listed and IEC certified, setting a new benchmark in quality and compliance. Excel Earthings offer customized product to match site-specific needs in accordance to the standards. Our electrodes are engineered with high conductivity and long-term reliability, with features like tint terminals, nickel sealing for improved adhesion, and pressed contacts for maintenance-free performance. Our manufacturing unit is equipped to produce 1,000 numbers per day of UL-listed copper bonded rods and 15 tons per day of high-performance earth-enhancing compound. Our earth-enhancing compounds come in multiple IEC compliant variants tailored for different soil conditions, delivering consistent low resistance even in challenging environments. Our lightning protection systems ensure infrastructure safety, featuring nylon insulated bases and tinned air termination. Every product is rigorously tested in-house and built to meet the IEC standards. With over 18 years of industry expertise, Excel Earthings has become a trusted name in electrical earthing and lightning protection, backed by quality, innovation, and precision. Excel Earthings is proud to be associated with Military Engineering Services, Southern Railways, BPCL, GAIL India, Siemens, Kerala State Electricity Board, Cochin Shipyard, and Cochin Metro Rail, delivering critical protection across India's infrastructure. Meet us at IEEMA Retreat 2025, a gathering of industry leaders and innovators. Join us at Stall L2 and explore solutions that redefine electrical safety. Be safe with Excel Earthings.